Boy, I tell you, it was definitely gloomy and dreary, and, you know, just kind of getting us ready for what's in store for the rest of the week, Mike Massey.
Right, and we were just talking about the tornadoes. Kelly, look at this right here. This is Birmingham. This right here is a wedge tornado on the ground. What is wedge? It's a giant tornado.
Huge.
We're going to have to see what happens in Birmingham. This is a little too close for Birmingham, and we'll see how this tracks, but this is some dangerous stuff. Let's take a look and show you some video we have for you. If we have it, we'll roll it, and that's what's been going on in Nebraska. We're talking about numerous states involved in this system, and that looks like what would be a wall cloud, the precursor of what you would typically see just before tornado development. And we're going to be talking about dozens and dozens of tornadoes, some of which could be registering over 200-mile-per-hour winds. We'll talk more about that in 1 second. Here's Maryland's most powerful weather radar. We look across town right now. We're actually getting a little taste of this storm in the form of some showers, and it's moderate showers right now, northern Baltimore County, so 83 north into York. Just an ugly go with things right now this evening, and rain showers are going to be here. You know, think dry thoughts the next couple of days. Flood watch in effect for the entire ABC2 viewing area. This is up until Thursday morning. We are expecting generally around 3 to 5 inches of rain, and hey, if a thunderstorm happens, it may rain over 5 inches in localized spots. Our model is going gangbusters right now for the potential of that. Shot downtown right now, cloudy, rainy, rain cooled 55 degrees right now. It's a calm wind, but that's going to pick up out of the southeasterly direction, bringing in more moisture, if you can believe that. So rain showers through 11 o'clock, falling back into the low 50s. Flood watch for tomorrow, upper 40s, going to around, say, 50 by the lunchtime hour. Everybody into the 50s right now. There's a couple of storms on the big boards, one up towards southeastern Canada. Of course, this is the powerhouse system out towards the Midwest. These are actually going to work together, bringing all this moisture from the south to the north. It's going to be a conveyor belt of moisture the next 24 to 48 hours. It's not only going to bring southern moisture up, it's also going to tap into some Atlantic moisture. Two moisture sources means we're going to get a lot of rain here in Maryland over the next couple of days. So first wave coming through tomorrow. Here comes a system, another wave associated with what's called a warm front. And this warm front is actually going to bring much milder air in. I'm a little concerned with the possibility of maybe a severe weather here by Wednesday. We'll talk more about that in 1 second. Tomorrow's just ugly. Rain, cool temperatures into the 50s. By Wednesday morning, the morning commute could feature showers and even thunderstorms, and watch how it gets to 70 degrees by Wednesday very quickly. And I am concerned with some instability, maybe the possibility of severe weather, maybe even the possibility of an isolated tornado. We'll talk more about that, of course, tomorrow. 48 degrees in town for tonight, moderate rains tomorrow afternoon, 54 degrees. Rain's going to pick up, it's going to turn windy. We're going to be flirting with 70 on Wednesday, and yes, there is the potential of severe weather here in Maryland. We'll get to 74 on Thursday. It stays mild as we end the work week. By the way, sun returns by Friday. Great, right? We'll be right back after this.